My name's Byron Burridge. I'm the Managing Director of MECHVAC Engineering.
And I'm Kate Brooking and I'm the Quality Manager at MECHVAC.
MECHVAC Engineering provides an engineering service to our customers in design and construction of plant process equipment and air handling equipment. And we provide our customers with a very agile, flexible service where we embed ourselves within our customers' design teams to provide them with a customised solution.
Some of the WHS issues that we face at MECHVAC on site include things like confined space, working at heights, working with moving equipment, fragile roofing. The sorts of things that we experience in the workshop are really to do with noise, manual handling, hazardous chemicals and hot work. And hot work includes activities like welding, oxy-cutting and grinding. We've always been aware of these issues because we face them on a daily basis and they're an integral part of our business processes. And because we are aware of them, we've had to build them into our risk management process. As the Quality Manager at MECHVAC Engineering, my role is dedicated to the IMS system, and we are very committed to having a successful and effective IMS, and we do that through the active consultation and participation with our workers. And we encourage a customer-focused culture at MECHVAC, and a strong focus on continual improvement really helps us enhance our WHS quality and environmental performance. As part of our IMS system, we do 4 yearly, sometimes ongoing, internal risk assessments for noise, manual handling, hazardous chemicals, and we decided that it was a good opportunity to consult an external consultant to carry out a risk assessment on noise, because we really wanted to have a second set of eyes, and we also wanted any report or recommendations that we did receive to be seen as impartial. When we were looking for a provider, we Googled providers, we used our 3-quote system, and we were really looking for someone who had a good reputation, who was qualified, and we were looking for someone who would tailor-make an assessment and come in and really look at our needs, and that meant coming on site and working closely with our workers and looking at the processes that we do at MECHVAC so that they could clearly identify the processes and activities that are generating noise and risk assess them. We were also looking for someone who would come in and not just generate a report and recommendations, but would actually do readings so that we could have those two combined in a report. We've adopted all of the recommendations that we received in our report, and they've included things like hearing protection is now mandatory in our workshop. We've delegated staff to enforce that. We've also installed blue lights on our forklift, and we're now supplying better hearing protection to our workers. Audiometric testing is now held to yearly for our workers, and we made improvements to things like our IMS company policies for wearing of PPE. We've improved our signage and improved our SOPs, or standard operating procedures. Carrying out the noise assessment has allowed us to continually improve our system and make the workshop a safer working environment. It's also made the workers much more aware of how important it is to wear hearing protection. Our staff engaged with the process very well. They were consulted about the process prior to undertaking it, and they took it on board well. They worked well with the consultant, and it was a positive experience. We found our consultant very professional. He was easy to work with. He took us through the steps of the assessment as he did it, and he worked very closely and well with the workers. And he issued the report and recommendations timely. And he was also very good after the assessment for follow-up. I had some questions and advice that I wanted him to answer, and he was very available to discuss those with me. We really felt that the best part of the process was the end product. It has really value added to our risk management processes and to the IMS. We have a safer working environment for our workers, and we really have a reassurance that we're meeting our legal obligations. And we will be engaging Anitech to carry out 2 more risk assessments next month on hot work and manual handling.